Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. This tutorial is a part of AppSec's online sport program. Welcome to 6th grade Mathematics with Neelam Vakar from Army Public School and College, Rahimia Khan, Kent. In today's lecture, we will discuss about ratio. Introduction or summary of the lesson. First, find ratio. Second, we will find equivalent ratios. Thirdly, we will find simplify ratio. And the fourth one is comparison of like quantities measured in like units or quantities of the same kind. Objective. Students will be able to find ratios involving rational numbers, find ratios involving three quantities, and the third one is find equivalent ratios. What is ratio? The relation between two numbers which shows how much bigger one quantity is than another. The second point is the comparisons is generally in the divisions. Thirdly, we denote ratio using symbol colon. Then two quantities can be compared only if they are in same unit. For example, in kg, in meter, in kilometer, etc. Example. There are 20 girls and 15 boys in a class. Firstly, we will find what is the ratio of number of girls to the number of boys, which is 20 by 15, which is then 4 over 3 after simplifying. We can also write it as 4:3 also. The second part is what is the ratio of number of girls to the number of students in the class. 20 by 35, which is 4 over 7 after simplifying, or 4:7. Exercise 7a. Question number 1. Simplify each of the following ratios. A part is 15 kg ratio 350 gram. As we know, ratio is comparison between same kind, so we convert kg into gram after multiplying 1000. 1500 gram ratio 350 gram, which is 30:7 after simplifying. Now the B part is 15 by 24 ratio 9 by 7. For our A's, to solve this ratio, we multiplying by 168 on both sides. Now we have 105 is equal to 216. After simplifying, we have 35 is equal to 72. Question number 2. Find the value of A if A ratio 400 is equal to 6 ratio 25. Solution. A by 400 is equal to 6 by 25. After cross multiplication, we have 25A is equal to 2400. A is equal to 2400 by 25. Now, after simplifying, we have A is equal to 96. Question number 4. Given, we have given that A ratio, B ratio, C is equal to 75 ratio 120 ratio 132. Solution. Firstly, simplify A ratio, B ratio, C. 25 ratio 40 ratio 44. Secondly, find B ratio A. 40 ratio 25. After simplifying, we have 8 ratio 5. Thirdly, find B ratio C, which is 40 ratio 44, and after simplifying, we have 10 ratio 11. Home assignment. Question number 1, part C and F. Question number 2, part B. Question 6 and then question 9. Dear students, after completing your assignment, submit your assignment at the school gate. Your assignment will be graded and returned to you, and you are supposed to do correction. Guidelines for you. Dear students, it is expected that all you have textbook and notebook by now. It is mandatory for you to complete your work in clean and neat handwriting, clearly mentioning your name, your class, your section, your subject, your topic, and your date. Thank you so much. All stay home, stay safe, and Allah Hafiz.